Hey everyone, Aaron with Front Row Negative back with another unboxing. This time it's from Extreme Wrestling t-shirts. They had a $5 mystery shirt sale a few weeks back. I got a few of the shirts for $5 each. And here's what they got. Most of the product they have on there is from the WWE, ranging from the Nexus era to the CM Punk era, Legends, a whole bunch of stuff. And I saw a lot of shirts that I liked on there, so I took the risk. Got a few of the $5 mystery shirts. I'll post the link below so you can check it out yourself. And let's see what I got. So I'm hoping no Roman Reigns, no John Cena, maybe a Nexus. That'd be kind of cool. So let's see what they put in here. So, all right. So, wow. So, well, that's kind of, I wasn't expecting that. So, right off the back, I got a Stone Cold vest. Well, you kind of see that damage. It's missing a button. Kind of see it right there. Yeah, you see the hole right there. Missing a button, a snap. Well, that's kind of cool. Will it even fit? Or little snug. Very snug. Yeah, this is not meant for me. Yeah, that's not meant for me. So, interesting. Hope that's not part of the 5. Hope that's just like a free gift. So first up is we got a WrestleMania Macho Man versus DiBiase. That's pretty cool. Definitely like that one. Was not expecting this. So that's first one so far. It's pretty good. Definitely liking that. Next up, we have British Bulldogs. Very cool. Definitely like this one. Definitely like that one. So 2 so far. Yes, Nexus. Very cool. I was hoping I would get this one. I was kind of hoping I would get this one. I was a big fan of the Nexus back in the day. Thought it was a pretty cool group. Really disappointed whenever Team Cena kind of buried them at Survivor Series. But this is cool. Definitely like that. And I guess, yeah, I guess the vest is... This is the 5th shirt, but I can't fit it. Oh well. And last shirt that's on here is kind of hard to see, but it is an Undertaker shirt, but it's really hard to see. It's like printed black. There, you kind of see it. Printed black on black. Kind of see it. I can barely even see it. Undertaker shirt. So maybe get the glare to kind of see it. The image is basically Taker doing this. Like he's doing like the Dark Order type of hand grab with Undertaker across the top. Really hard to see. It might have been cool if this was in purple, but because it's black on black, it's really hard to read. And with the very chaotic design, it's even harder to read. So, So, but yeah, I guess out of all the shirts and the vest, that's pretty cool, but not for me. Maybe I'll just treat it. Maybe I'll just give this to somebody. See if they like it or not. We got British Bulldogs shirt. Very cool. I was a big fan of Davey Boy Smith back in the day. Dynamite Kid, not so much, because I think that was past when I was growing up with. I just remember the British Bulldog, not Dynamite Kid. But still a cool shirt. Yeah, really like this one, the WrestleMania. Really like the WrestleMania, the 4 one. Really cool. And then my Nexus with the arm print. Boom, and then the back. You're either Nexus or against us. Really cool. Definitely like this one. And then this damaged, not my size vest. So is there anything else? Nope. So yeah, vest is damaged. It's not my size, but it was in there. So somewhat of a win. Don't know. But cool. Thanks for watching. This is Aaron with Front Row Negative. So I'll provide a link with the mystery shirts company down below in the description. And until next time, you'll never know what I unbox. So later.
I wanna know what you're thinking. There are some